Well, good morning, guys. It's rainy October 28th day, Saturday. So I'm gonna do little putzing around the shop here. I'm gonna get rid of this light. No more light. Oh yeah, I got that one adjusted way out of adjustment. Holy cow, man! Right here's the other light, and it's not even nowhere near where it needs to be. So, what my plan of attack is to A, remove this light. Well, hang on a minute. Shoot. That light. Utilize one of these holes up here for that light because it only has one mounting thing on it. Silicone one of the holes, put silicone in it. That means I have to run back across the road and get it, but that's no biggie. And then take this light, once I get that light removed, and put that light over here. It should all work. And then drill my holes here and make sure it is level. Yeah, that's one thing that just bugged the crap out of me, is not having it level. Ugh. Flush, I mean. Well, I guess I can start by getting rid of this wire nut. Need like a little metal tray type deal thing. It sticks to stuff. Stay. Don't move. Now, wire nuts can be tricky. I already got it unhooked on the other side, so it's not gonna arc or nothing. Okay. So here's the hot. This is the ground coming out the back of the the light. As you can see down there, it's all hooked in. So, I wish I had a taller tripod, but I don't feel safe setting it up here, so hang on, we'll be back in a minute. So, I got my Allen wrench here. These things are stinking handy that are in the case like this. You can just undo it like such. Come on, get on there. And then just zip it out. Lay that somewhere where it don't get hurt. And watch the light fall down. Okay. That little guy up there. Okay, so then what you want to do is unhook the okay, so I got it removed. I just got to remember that this goes to the light. This gets wire nutted to the ground wire. So, let me look back here. See how it went. Yeah, it went like that. That wire there went up to there, got that wire nut. This wire got shoved under there for a ground. Makes sense. Got these wire cutters here. I'm gonna strip this one wire while I'm thinking about it. That's why it wasn't making good contact. Okay, so right there's the end of it. Right there, the tip of my finger. Set that right there. I think I'm done with these. I'm not sure yet. Just leave them right there. I get that all stripped, but where's the existing wire? No, right there. Duh. So why was I thinking I didn't have enough? I don't know, but got enough now. Okay, let me get this unfolded and we'll drill our holes and move it over there then. Had to run and get the socket because this one up under here there it comes. There'd be. I hope the YouTube police doesn't come after me for playing music on my channel. Well, you know what? I don't care. Okay. Got this up there with the washer too. Just set it right there. And then we'll get the other side. Oh no. I think that was a special nut too. Crap. Used the DeWalt drill to drill my holes, but I think I used a Milwaukee. Little smaller drill. This one here seems like a little too bit overkill. So we'll get on with that and we'll start drilling holes in. So I got my holes drilled out, or not drilled, marked out appropriately. Yeah. I think that's about right. Let's see. There. I think it needs, let's see, if I'm standing at the front, then I want this a little bit like that maybe. Yeah, because that little indent right there is the center. So let me get this drilled out, we'll be back. Ground. Hot. Ground. That's why that light over there don't work. So I think I got it right. Blue to ground, red to red. So, here we go. Ooh, cool. Check that out. Sweet. Okay, so now, I wonder if I can. Yeah, this is the groundwater because this one was smashed. I wonder if I could put it right there, if that other side will work too. Hang on just a minute, let me try something. If it works. Hope it holds, nothing's touching down there. Okay, I believe we're ready for a test fire. Keep your fingers crossed. Fuck. Doggone it. Bullshit. What the heck? I'll get these hooked up backwards. Ah, dang it. Okay. Take two. Frig. What the heck? Still nothing. I think I know now what's going on. Let's see. Okay, now I know what I need to do. Ground, put a wire thing on it. So now I'm gonna see if the darn thing works. Ah, dang it. Still nothing. Frick. Okay, if this don't work, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Frickin' stupid junk. Ah, dang it. What the heck? Well, I'll have to have you guys help me. Thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Please remember, I looked back in that video. This blue wire or green wire is the continuous feed. So it should go up there where this is going, and this is the hot, or the ground that goes to this wire here for the black. Okay. Maybe it is all making sense. Take 5. Son of a bitch. Now why ain't it working? What the heck? So why now does it work? That's something I'm not understanding. That's ground. I don't get it. Ah, dang it. If I would have marked them frickin' stupid wires over there when I took them off. What the heck? I don't get it. What am I doing wrong? I give up. Comment, rate, subscribe.